Qualys for Business full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are available in the description below. Let's dive straight into what Qualys offers and whether it's the right fit for your business. Qualys is a cloud-based security and compliance platform designed for businesses that require continuous visibility into their IT assets, vulnerabilities, and security posture. It's built for mid-sized to large enterprises, MSPs, and security teams that need scalable, automated solutions for vulnerability management, policy compliance, and asset inventory. One of its core strengths is the Qualys Cloud Platform, which unifies a wide range of security tools, vulnerability management, threat protection, web app scanning, file integrity monitoring, endpoint detection, and more, into a single dashboard. The Global IT Asset Inventory tool gives you real-time visibility of every asset across your environment, whether on-prem, in the cloud, or on mobile. Another standout feature is Vulnerability Management, Detection and Response, VMDR, which not only identifies and prioritizes threats, but also integrates with patch management to automate remediation workflows. This drastically cuts down the time between detection and resolution. Continuous monitoring alerts you instantly when vulnerabilities appear or configurations change. On the compliance side, it supports major standards like PCI DSS, HIPAA, and ISO, offering detailed reporting and audit readiness tools. Strength-wise, Qualys is extremely scalable, agent-based and agentless options are available, and its real-time threat detection is among the best in class. The platform is lightweight and doesn't rely on heavy hardware or complex deployment processes. However, weaknesses do exist. The UI, while powerful, can feel overwhelming for new users, and the learning curve is steep without prior experience in security operations. Some users also report that support and documentation could be more user-friendly for complex configurations. Overall, Qualys is a highly capable, enterprise-grade security platform, ideal for businesses that take vulnerability management and compliance seriously. If you need centralized, automated, and continuous monitoring across your digital footprint, it's a strong contender. Check the description for links and more information.